Welcome back. So today is pretty exciting because I will be heading back to the farm today. So this is going to be a part 2 of the farm vlog. I'm going to show you guys some other areas in the farm like the nutmeg field, the guava field, and the little stream that we have. If you guys have not watched part 1 of the vlog as yet, I will leave a little card so you guys could click on it and check it out. I just have to do something to my hair because it's looking a little bit crazy, and then we'll be out. If you enjoy seeing these kinds of vlogs from me, then don't forget to give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I'm finally up the first hill, so let's head to the stream now. So I just walked from my grandfather's old watch house. Up there you can see my mom's farm is at the top up there, and over this way is the road to the stream. The sun's glare is kind of messing things up. We have a big plum rose tree here, and there's a pig pen up there. That's my cousin's pig pen. There are a lot of guava trees and stuff up in that hole. That is where the stream comes down from. Guys, just hope that I don't get attacked by this pig. So I'm here at the stream. I thought it would have been running a lot heavier, but because it has been raining a lot, but it's really shallow. I don't know why. Vlog P. He's eating away. This is a big breadfruit tree that we have here, and you guys can see the nutmeg field is right down there. So I'm going to walk this road and head down there. It's kind of steep. I hope I can make it. So I'm inside the nutmeg field now. I wanted to pick guava, but there's a cow there. There's no guava. There's another cow over there, and this is pretty much the front of the field. I don't want to go all the way around because there's a cow sitting right there. Can you guys see? There's a cow right there, so I'm not going any further. That's the most you're going to see from the field. Because cows are all over. So I'm going to head back up. There should be a lot of guava trees covering right here, but I guess my grandfather cut them down. I'm up by my mom's part of the farm. The trees are a lot more taller now and they have flowers, little baby peas on them, so big progress from the last time. Even the papaya tree looks taller. This lizard does not understand the concept of personal space. Like, it just hopped on my legs a while ago. We have a really big sorrel field right here, going all the way down. We have the peas field. It goes way further down past the mango tree. And then we have another smaller field of sorrel here. They aren't ready yet. They're still little babies. And it goes all the way up there. If you guys watched the last vlog, then you guys could compare to see how bigger they've become. This is the same area where we had planted the groundnuts. All of the little plants have shoot up now. So you guys could see that it has been a while since I think it was a month ago since I came. Finally finished touring all of the other areas of the farm for you guys. I'm going to help my mom pick some peas. She already picked a sack of sorrel here and she's picking another sack. I am extremely exhausted. Like this video if you enjoyed the little tour. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.